So hello friends, today we are going to print array elements. So how we can print this array element which is given in that array. So first of all, here is our method. In this we are using looping statement to print every element of this array. So how we can achieve this? First of all, we start with for loop. We are using for loop and starting int I. The initial value is 0 because in array is a 0 based indexing. Its indexing is start with 0 and till go to the length of that array. Okay, in this in first position there's a index is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, here's the 4 index in this, but the length of this array is 5. Indexing is 4 but the length is 5 because there is 5 elements. Okay, so after that I less than is array dot ngth. Why should we print this? If you are going to print system.out.println array.length, the output is the length of that array, means the length of array is 5, so its output is 5, but we want to go only on fourth number, only fourth, because the index is 4. So we always take I less than array.length. After that, every time we increasing the value by 1. Okay, so here's the first part we have completed. After that, what we will do, we make system dot out dot print. What we print? We want to print array of I. Now what is array of I? If we see what is the array of I, array means this, the name of that array. Okay, and I is the index value. So if array of I is 0, it will see in this array what is on this 0th index. In 0th index there is 22, means it will print 22. Okay, after that it will came in this, it will increase, then it will become 1. Okay, on first index, for which value is present, there is present 23. Okay, after that it will again came, so as that type the loop will go till array dot length and it will print our all values. Okay, it will print all values of that array. So it is the very easy program to print array element. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.